Alright everyone, this is a 52-inch Quorum QXL Ceiling Fan, which is installed in the kitchen at our house. So the fans that get running the most is this and the one in my parents' room. Those are the fans that get run the most because those are the two hottest rooms. Alright, it's going to start with low. Look at that slight wobble. I think I have to pull the chain one more time. Perfect. It does wobble because it's an old fan. Whoa, that is bad. And then it used to wobble this way, but now it does. That is so weird. It wobbles worse on low. Alright, is medium. Oh, it's getting worse when it speeds up. I'm not doing the pull chain, thank gosh, because I don't want to get hurt. I stand on the table for about like 7 or 8 seconds. Oh, it's getting more bad now. Alright, let's go to a high. This is the wobblest speed and the highest speed. Alright, let's turn it off because I don't want it to fall. I turned it off. Whoa! This fan is getting really old. I need to replace it someday because it wobbles bad. I think we have to put this new fan in our new house in the den. Alright, that's going to be it. Bye.